strawberry, blueberry, peach, a little bit of spinach, and a little bit of avocado in the chocolate base. It's really good. We were out of bananas, so I couldn't have my regular chocolate banana. That's my favorite one. I think I drink at least one of them every day. So it is Friday, and guess what? I am kidless. The kids have gone to my parents' farm for the weekend, so I don't know if I will actually be getting them back Sunday or Monday, or when they'll be coming home. So yay! It's gonna be so quiet around the house. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But anyhow, I got some mail, and the kids aren't here to help me open it, so you guys get to just put up with me opening it. Oh, awesome! So I ordered a bunch of tiny little pom-poms. Yeah, so I am doing a trade show, I think in November. I can't remember what it is or when it is, but I've been asked to donate small little tiny things for gift bags for the first 100 people through the door. So 50 first day, 50 the second day, into like their little grab bags or whatever. So I am gonna crochet a bunch of little tiny toques and put it on a keychain. And so I got the pom-poms so that there's little tiny pom-poms to go on the top of it. So they actually look like toques. You know that saying, when the cat's away, the mice will play? Well, this is Micah's room. Kids are gone for the weekend, and I have a little bit of energy, and I have started cleaning Micah's room. Already washed all of their bedding, remade them, but Darian and I are going to totally rearrange the bedroom now. Yay! Probably be safe to pick that tree out. Can I knit? With you on my lap, can I knit?
No, you must pet. I should get him some safety goggles.
finished rearranging kids' room. Darian helped a lot. He did all the heavy moving and lifting and stuff. It looks so much better. Yay, and the kids are coming home. It's Monday. Can't wait to see what they think of the room.
What? Yes! 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 Okay, how is my room rearranged? I gotta see this.
What makes you think I would rearrange your room? There's somebody staying in your room.
Here.
What do you think, bud? You like your new arrangement?
Yes.
Awesome.
This is amazing. I like... Thank you, Mom! This is amazing.
You're welcome.
Micah, I want to talk to Mom. Take the camera! Almost. I gotta get there and catch you. At you, Dad.
That is so not where Dad was standing.
That was the word Mom, not Dad. I suck at this. Everyone wants to hit the camera.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I didn't want it. Yay! That was kind of close to you.
Actually hard throwing anything this falls out of the sky.
The sky is falling. Dad!
No, it hits and it wants to go up.
Okay, I want to catch it right here. I want to catch it standing up.
This is gonna be horrible.
Yep. Wait, wait, wait. I got it. I got it.
It was not in your hands. It went hitting the dirt.
That was a couple.
Oh, if we had caught that, that would have been epic. Okay, your turn. Okay, you're right.
Caught and thrown left-handed.
That was that. Holy no! Dad, if you were to do that on those swings, we
Here.
How do I slow down?
Dare.
Jump.
What are we doing? That looked too easy.
That looked way too easy.
It is really good. Look, Mom, I wasn't going to be holding on with my feet. You spoiled my plans! Hey, Dad, I wanted to do a flip off the swing. Dad! Dad!
Micah. Ouch! That bent my nail back.
I am sorry. It happened.
Ouch.
You scared me. Okay, I can do this. Perfect. Okay, yeah. There's a bit of a dip to get done with mine. Do not! No! No, I will kick you! I hate that.
Why?
I'm gonna die! I'm just gonna get the hands of my own father! Like if it's like someone in school, I can sue them, but you're my dad! Okay. Do not, I wanna do the flip. Dad, stop. Dad, you're making me nervous.
Just do the flip and stop talking about it.
Oh! Did you get that on video, Mom? Mom, did you get that on video?
Are you okay?
It's not as bad as getting my pinky caught.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Hey, Mom! Mom! Dad's gonna win! Did you fall?
Yeah,
Dad wins. I won! Did we both touch the ground at the same time? No! Dad had already been standing and looking over. Oh, he's going back. Take it. Wait, no, I take. You take it. Oh. I'm taking it. Come on, Chloe, you can do it. No, you can't walk. You gotta touch the ground. Come on.
You're supposed to go up now? I forget.
You don't have to.
What backflip? We said
Artistic.
And you have a gasping husband next to you.
Okay, I need to take off my shoes and socks. I need to take off my shoes.
very artistic.
Delete it, Chloe.
Art.
Flip and stop talking about it.
Oh!
Flip and stop talking about it.